Welcome to Digital Academy. In this lesson, I will talk about how to edit using Wondershare Filmora again. I just press OK and heading to filters. Let's try some filters. For this one, I will apply this one.
Increasing the fraction, increasing the smoothness, and remember to increase the segments to apply a smooth.
Choose different filter also and apply it by just grab it with the mouse over the timeline. Let's choose, try this one by left click. It's not effective for this one. No, not this one. I think that's may be applied and just drag it over the point that you
Using effect, it's like make the realistic. The more the segment, the more smooth it will be. That's all for this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.
For this background sound, I need to increase the size of the timeline so I can delete the
And the
background
next
noise.
one. Next one. One.
Then I will head to this point and just divide it and delete it. Then when I press this button,
See you in the next one. See you in the next one.
then I will decrease its size to be able to navigate around. Let's say I want to check the effect of beginning.
Welcome to a new lesson in Digital Academy. I will start this one by creating a polygon cube at the middle of the scene from the polygon shelf menu. Apply the edits as normal by using Q, W, E, and R.
Apply a text from the text menu. Just choose another one. Let's try this one by double click. And if you want to add a modification, just double click on it and heading advanced. When you hit advanced, then you can delete the text and type in your own. For this one, I will delete all of this and just type and press Q, W, E, and R. Let's make it capital Q, W, E. And just change the animation. Let's make it over each other. Let's make it this effect. Let's just drag them all and align them at the center. Move the whole part at this point and just press OK. When you hit OK and just press play,
For select, move, rotate, and scale, I just move it and scale it by the scaling tool from the first handle. For this lesson, I
will apply a new text. You can change the font from this menu. You can scroll down to choose different one. You can change the size, decrease it or increase it, and you can apply your own modification like bolding and remove it. This is the spacing between if you have different lines and the spacing between each word inside of this row. For this one, I will change the animation, make it at this point and press OK.
just apply modification. Let's make a door. A door and its fine sub details and the sub component surface details. For this one, I select face mode, sub component face mode. Then I will apply extrude by pressing Ctrl and
I will move it at this point.
E. Change the offset. Just holding Shift or Ctrl, apply slight modification of the offset. I move it inside
Then
Ctrl
I
and E
navigate
to
around
let's
inside
change
my
the
video
scale
to
all
see
the
any
faces together
background
as a
noise
single
and
object.
select it and remove it.
When you
Or you
navigate
can
around,
apply different
select
filters
half of
or
the faces by
overlays.
dragging
Also,
and
you can
delete them
apply
by
some
using
elements like
backspace,
the arrows
or you
inside
can
of your
press
video.
delete on
For
keyboard.
this one, I will navigate
Navigate
around
around to
and
select
let's
the edges.
say I need
For this one, I will
select
select the edges, a single edge, and heading to fill the hole.
then when you press
I don't need to select all the faces around. Only single edge is enough to fill the hole or make
then
a
I will
bridging
continue to
effect
make
inside
my
a single
edits.
object. I will select it, rotate it, and type in a value of 0 to return it back to the normal position. I will move it down by using moving tool. Let's say I want to D,
Then
then
I
move
will
station,
move around
then
my
press
video
Shift
to
and
see
D
the
again.
effect of
I will
adding,
select them as a
and I
group
need
and
to
apply.
apply,
Then
let's
I will
say,
rotate
some
it by
arrows
rotation
effect.
to pressing
Let's
E on
navigate
keyboard.
around to
And
select the
remember to
arrow.
hit the channel box 90 degrees to make the precise rotation. I'll move it.
Let's apply this one. You can see when you apply any elements, you can control its size from these lines, these menus, and you can rotate it from this handle. Let's rotate it to be pointing at these edges. Also, you can apply your own modification of where it will appear. Just double click and then apply your own transitions. For this one, I will just hit OK and apply it manually at this point and rotate it over this part. When you hit play
I'll
button,
move it up
then you can see the
to be
effect
able
of
to
the
make the
mouse
edits
that
at
you,
first.
the
I'll
arrows that
select
you have applied.
faces, select the bottom one. Let's say I will make a larger selection.
This also is useful if you
You
want to
can
apply a
drag them by
video
the mouse
over a
and delete
video.
them
You
by
can
backspace
change
or
and
pressing
just
delete on
control its
keyboard.
size, just
For
apply
this
it.
face,
From the media, if you will apply a video, let's say I will make this one, I will apply it over this point. But remember, if you will apply it, just scale it down if you want to apply it at this point. And just move it at this point, then you control its size. Then double click over it to apply a cinematic effect for the video. If you just apply this
I
one.
will select delete them also.
But for this one, I need to decrease its size. I'll just move it to this point. So I will decrease its size. Let's move it at this point. And when you hitting play button, you can see the
Select
effect that will
delete them
appear.
also. Head into the object mode. I want to move it as a single unit. Let's say I will
Just
move it
press
down at
OK.
first. We'll apply the rotation later.
And
To
I will
navigate
continue
this
to
tool,
navigate around if you
I
want to
will
apply
start by
filters
moving
and
it to the
overlays or
sides
any
to the
element
first
like
side.
arrows or
Then
any video
after
or
applying
subcomponents that
editing
you
and
will add
scaling
over your
modification,
video.
when you are satisfied with the shape and the object, just can frame the selected and isolate the selected from this tool, isolate selection. If you want to apply extrude and increase the
Let's
thickness,
head into
I
filter
just hit
and apply
isolate,
a filter.
selected again to return back to the normal shape. You can apply your
You
own
can
edits and
apply
your own
overlays.
modification for this one. I just scale it a little to be
Apply this one.
able
Play
to
button.
make it uniformly with the door. You can just scale it a little to the side.
Then I will apply this one also.
And remember to head to the 4 views by pressing spacebar on the keyboard. If you want to move it beside,
And I need to add a text, just heading to the text menu, scroll down to choose to different one. Let's say I need to select this one. And just press your text. And for the advanced mode, just press advanced to be able to control any subcomponent. Let's say I need to change this one also. Type in your own text, and then you can your own modification, like changing the color of it. Let's change the effect, the size, the animation that will appear. For this one, I will also, you can customize it and apply your own preset. For this one, I just leave it. And also remember, you can change the font itself from this menu. Let's change to a different font. Let's make it bold and just press OK, and press OK again
Easily
and
from the top
play it
view or
to
side
see
view.
the effect.
For this one I need to move it up and move it to the sides.